did the Easter Bunny bring you? What is in there? What did the Easter Bunny bring? Look. What did it bring you?
Yeah. What do you have, Addie?
What is that?
Ooh, it's a chocolate bunny.
A chocolate bunny!
What'd you get?
What else did you get, Bray Bray?
Bubbles!
Ooh, I think that's
Oh, cool.
Bubbles! Bubbles!
Why don't you bring your whole basket out? Bring your whole basket out.
I see.
Hi!
Duckies!
Peeps! What else did you get? Look through there and find all the things you got.
Look!
A
Pest dispenser.
Let's see what Brayden got. Come here, Brayden.
Earrings!
Oh, I think those are little tattoos. Cool.
Can I have one on me?
The Easter Bunny gave you tattoos?
Brayden! You got a signing time!
Oh!
The zoo. Peeps?
He obviously hasn't figured out that that's food.
Hi. It's hair glitter.
Hair glitter! I already have 2 of them. Now I have blue. I only have purple and I have purple and red in my room on my dresser. I already have one of these.
You do?
Addie, did you see this?
What is it?
Do you know who he is?
That's for Brayden.
Who?
Isn't he on the Diamond Castle?
Yeah. And it's guitar. Can you? What is the
What?
paper guitar? Can you?
Do you know who he is? What his name is?
What?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
It's cherry.
Addie, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.